Next month's build is the Pagani Huayra, and the theme is police car. The video was due the last day of the month, the 30th of November, so get your building going and let's see what you got. Send your glamour shots along with your logo to 4Horsemen Diecast at gmail.com. Now when you send a picture, send a nice, clean, clear picture, and this is what the people are going to be looking at when they see your videos, folks. So the better your picture looks, the better the response is going to be to your YouTube page or potentially your website. Also, make sure you go to 4Horsemen Diecast on YouTube and subscribe to the channel, because that's where the videos are going to be posted. And we look forward to seeing you there. This was a great month. There was a lot of great builds, a lot of great talent. And please check out the other videos and have a good time getting some ideas from these nice folks. This is Paul for the 4 Horsemen representing Diecast Graveyard. Thank you.